Yes, good morning, children. So today we are going to do advertisements. What are advertisements? What are advertisements? Advertisements are public notices. Advertisement is a public notice which is intended at advertising the things either regarding vacancies or goods, or you can even advertise, you can send advertisements on vacancy requirement or coaching centers, pets, tours and travels, okay, kennel, pets. It can be upon those people who do the shifting, so there can be anything, any service which can be advertised in the classified ads. So as the word classified is there, classified means classification. So the advertisements are categorized. So the advertisements in the newspapers or in the magazines, they are as per the categories. So under the different categories, different advertisements are placed. Under the category of matrimonials, people ask for suitable alliance. So under the category of required, people ask for different, people go for different job prospects. So in case you want a job or in case you are advertising for a job in a particular company, you can go for classified ad. So right now we are only talking about classified ads under the column of or under the category of required or wanted. Okay, it can be wanted or required. So in case you are you require somebody as a receptionist or as the principal or as a PGT or as a doctor or as a receptionist or as a driver or as a sales executive or as the computer head or as the company sales officer. So whatever, in case you want somebody as something, you can put that advertisement in the columns of classified. Okay, so when you go for this, you have to keep a few points in your mind. But before we write down these points in the form of an advertisement, you must remember a few things first. When you write a classified ads, you must remember that it should be very brief, number one. It should be brief. Don't use any first or second person pronouns. For example, I, we, you. Don't say that I want a computer operator for my company. No. What will you write? Required a computer operator for ABC company. Instead of saying I want a computer operator, what will you say? Required will come in the heading itself. You won't repeat the word required even. Required a computer operator for ABC company, Ludhiana. Right? No use of I, we, and you. Right? So second thing about the classified ad is no use of pictures or graphs or any illustration. No drawing. That is there in poster. In the classified ads, no visuals, no drawings, no poster, nothing which shows any graphics. Only factual words, factual language is to be used. Factual language means language which is fact-based. And next quality of an classified ad is that you have to write only the main points, not complete sentences. For example, just now I've told you, I want a computer operator for my company. Instead of saying this, you can only say required a computer operator for MNC, for ABC company. This is fact based. When I say required a computer operator for ABC company, here I am speaking everything in fact based language. If I say want a computer operator for some company, what is some company? Okay. Yes. In case you want to hide the identity, then you can say required a computer operator for a Jalandhar based MNC. Then in the end, you'll be talking about the like send information, send your resume at the box 185, the Tribune. Then you can hide your identity also. But even then, that is fact based. Okay, don't write misleading information. So advertisements are brief, to the point, without any drawings or visuals. Okay, and you are to write the classified ads in a box. That's very important. Outline the page. That's very, very important. Outline the page. So first kind of advertisements we have taken up is classified ad on required or wanted base. When you want to hire somebody's services, then you go for required. So when you write this kind of advertisement, the very first thing is you write the post or the designation. What do you say? Required a PGT. Required an MBBS doctor. Required a physiotherapist. Required a driver. Required a coaching center instructor. Designation. Start with the designation. What do you want? Okay. So start with the designation. Required, you have written already. Required a receptionist. Anything. Number. If it is only one, then I've written required a driver. Required 2 drivers to run school buses. Required, number is embedded there. Required 2 office clerks. Required 2 PGTs to teach physics. Company or organization. Then you mention the name of the company where you require this. Required a receptionist for ABC Public School, Phagwara. Qualification. I am continuing. Required a receptionist for ABC Public School, Phagwara. Must be postgraduate with command over English. Okay. Must be postgraduate, fluency in English, and computer must. I have talked about qualification now. Experience. Minimum experience of 2 years is must. Minimum experience of 2 years from a similar concern is must. If somebody is applying as a receptionist in a school, then I want that person should have an experience of 2 years as a receptionist from some other school. Got it? So we want like the candidate should be having an experience of minimum 1 year from similar concern. Let me repeat the whole line again. Required a receptionist for a renowned school in Jalandhar, must be postgraduate with fluency in English and command over computers. Minimum experience 1 year from similar concern. What you have to focus at? You have to focus at the way I am not speaking full sentences. I am only speaking points. I'm repeating, now you focus upon points. Required a receptionist for ABC Public School, Nawashahar. Full stop. Must be postgraduate with fluency in English and knowledge of computer. Full stop. Experience of 2 years from a similar concern. Must have an experience of 2 years from similar concern. Full stop. Salary, no constraint for deserving candidate. Or salary as per government norms. Whatever government says, that much salary will give you. Okay, salary, if it is really a private concern, Then you can say like salary no constraint for deserving candidates, or salary as per government norms. That's better. Apply online at www dot. Got it? So mention how to apply. Apply online at, give the address. Yeah, one thing more, how to apply and till when to apply. Till when. Deadline, give deadline. Apply online at this till 30th of November 2020. Gunkirat, look here. How to apply, until what date apply. Okay, deadline. It's not that you have given the advertisement and people keep on applying till the end of 2021 December. Okay, they will say कि you have given an advertisement. So deadline is very important. Contact principal, give phone number and school ID or the organization's ID. Is it clear? So here, whatever the points, you are to write all these points in the form of points only there. No use of IVU. Okay, no repetition, not even the repetition of the first word required. Required a postgraduate, required a sales officer for MNC based at Jalandhar. Must be MBA. Experience from 2 years of experience from reputed concern is must. Salary as per government norms or salary, no constraint for a deserving candidate. Apply online at till this date. Then what? Contact, name of the officer, okay, designation, contact the manager, Mr. Sudesh Verma, phone number, email ID. That's it. So when you know these points, you can write any advertisement on any on any designation. But only a little bit of common sense you need to know, you need to have. In case you are asking for some doctor's designation, you should know what qualification should be required. In case you are asking for assistant professor or in IIT, then also you should know what qualification is required. Otherwise, the other details you can manage. Only regarding qualification, many a times qualifications are also given in the question paper. But don't depend too much upon the question paper. You should have your own common sense also. For that, you need to do a lot of practice. Okay, do a lot of practice, then this question can be handled very easily. So advertisement will be there for 3 marks. Invitation separately will be there for 3 marks. Okay, do a lot of practice. And then there will be a question on article writing and report writing. Okay, so this we have done, required we have done. Now we can do another kind. Now let's see to let. What do you want to let? What do you usually let out? What you usually let out? Either you let out a house or a shop, or a building. Yes. So anything, or a garage even. So anything can be let out, right? So in case you are letting out something, or in case you want something on rent, in case you want a flat on rent, the conditions, the features would be same. Means in case you want to let out a house or a flat, okay, or a building, what will you mention? Though the requirements would be a little different each time. In case you want to let out a building for commercial purpose, then the details would be a little different. In case you want to let out your flat, details would be a little different. In case you want to let out a shop, things would be a little different. Keeping in mind the different requirements, the overall points can be there. So to let out the kind of building, or flat, or the kind of house, or the kind of shop it is, mention what it is. Okay, mention its area. So in case it's a building, or in case it's a shop, mention its area. In case it's a flat, mention its how many rooms, whether it's 2 BHK or 3 BHK. If it's a house, mention whether it is newly built or mud house. Whether it is newly built or an old one. So whatever the kind you are going to let out or you want to get on rent, mention like this is what I exactly want. This is what it is. So mention the area in case it's a commercial building, big one. You can let it out for banks. Yes, then you mention like for whom. That you can mention in the end. Okay, for whom. Then area and all. Then you can mention its interior features, internal features. What internal features can be there? 24-hour power backup, 24-hour power and water backup, water supply. Okay, if it is, if it's meant for the commercial purpose, totally Wi-Fi, that they can get it done later on also. In case it's a 3 BHK or 2 BHK or newly built, you can talk about its fully furnished modular kitchen. Okay, fully furnished, it will go. Okay, Italian kitchen or modular kitchen. What else? Whatever. So if the interior internal features you can talk about here, then you can talk about the external features also. External feature, in case it's a shopping complex or building, then enough space for parking facility. Okay, parking garage, parking facility, or that basement parking space available at basement. In case it's a house, you can say like a wide road, the house facing a wide road. Okay, enough parking facility available. Okay, facing a park, east facing, something like this you can mention. Balcony, having a balcony, second floor. So if it's on rent, you can mention like which floor you want. Maybe second floor, or maybe the first floor, or maybe the ground floor. So internal or external features. Then what else? The most important thing would come is like how much rent you want. Rent, how much rent? Expected rent would be this much. Mention it. Okay. You can also mention like dealers, please excuse. Dealers come up, they say, okay, we'll do this. So they also have their commission. Never mind, let them do. But many people, they don't want that we'll be doing this through the dealers. Some people want it because through the dealers you get maximum variety. No use of advertisement then if the dealers are coming. So you can say dealers, please excuse, right? Or you can say dealers, most welcome, whatever. So after this, what will you mention? Contact. Whom to contact and at what time? Contact Mr. R.K. Verma, phone number, email ID, and you can also mention time from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Otherwise, you'll keep on getting calls for the whole of the day, right? So that's how you'll be writing the things on to let. Now, similar kind of advertisement for sale. For sale or to purchase. It can be anything. To sell or to purchase. For sale or to purchase. Property again I'm talking about. If you want to sell your flat or your house, what will you mention? First of all, mention the kind of house or flat. It can be a newly built house, it can be a mud house, okay, or it can be a 2 BHK, it can be 4 BHK, okay. Mention the location, very important. It can be in a posh colony, it can be, usually people write on posh colony, even if it's in a congested and bad colony. People always say. But anyways, we have to write it for the advertisement sake. Kind of house, kind of locality, okay. Then the internal and external feature of the house. Features. So what would be the internal or the external features? Internal, again, the same thing. Fully furnished, Italian kitchen, okay, enough space for parking, 24-hour power and water supply and all. Okay. So all these features you will be mentioning. Otherwise, where you talked about location, or here you can mention like facing what. These are very important when people go to buy house. Facing, north facing, east facing, or facing a park. Okay, market, hospital, and school in the close vicinity. Okay, they are nearby. Mention it. So facing what? I'm not getting. I mean like facing no, park, facing a wide road. Okay. After this, you can mention nearby market, hospital, and schools nearby. Nearby doesn't mean that they're just with your school's wall. Yes, 1 kilometer drive, 4 kilometers of drive from the airport or from the bus stand or from the railway station. 4 kilometers of drive from railway station or from the airport or what. So talk about those kinds of features here. Okay. So then what in the end? Contact. Yeah, price. Expected price. 50 lakhs, 40 lakhs. Okay. So expected price. Again, you can mention here dealers, please excuse. Okay, dealers, please excuse, or dealers are most welcome. Anything. And finally, what will you write? Contact. Yes, Kalwin, is that clear? So today we have done the advertisements based upon required or wanted, for sale or to purchase, the accommodation, and third we had also done the accommodation required meant for the letting out purpose. So do the practice of these questions today.